Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel KRS. So another comment that I'm going to answer in this video that is about the status of an order from a certain online shop. So before I continue to this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and please click the notification bell for you to be always updated to my future videos, okay? So the question here, ano po meaning ng in transit? So ibig sabihin po guys ng in transit is your parcel or your order is on its way to its final destination. So for example, you live in Iloilo or Negros or any provinces. So kapag in transit na siya, so papunta na yung order mo doon sa place mo. For example, sa province mo, dun sa destination kung saan i-deliver na siya. However, hindi pa ibig sabihin ng in transit na ma-receive mo na yung order that day. Okay? Always remember that in transit is different from out for delivery or your order is being delivered. So in transit, patungo na siya sa final destination but hindi mo pa siya ma-receive. You will receive your order few days from that certain day na nag-change ng in transit na status na yung order mo. So hindi mo pa siya ma-receive that day. By contrast, doon sa out for delivery or your orders being delivered, yung status na yan ay ma-receive mo na talaga yung order mo that very day. So, I hope that you've learned something from this video, and if you have questions, just comment it down below and I will answer to it. Okay, so thanks for watching and keep safe. Okay, so bye bye, mama.